Hi Lauren, so this one, the length of time in years it took a random sample of 32 formal smokers to quit smoking permanently are listed. Assume the population standard deviation is 4.1 years. Surprising they know such fact. So what I'm going to do is, because they know population standard deviation, I'm going to perform a z-test. You would use t-test if they never gave us this population standard deviation. So after opening the data set in StatCrunch, I will go to stat, zstat, and I'll do one sample with data. Click on it and I will type in the standard deviation of what they gave us, 4.1. And the hypothesis, well, what are we testing? At alpha level 0.08, is there enough evidence to reject the claim that the mean time it takes smokers to quit smoking permanently is 13 years? So I'm going to go ahead and test that it is 13, and the alternative will be just not equal to 13, because it doesn't really say in the word part of the problem that they are suspecting it is less than 13 years or more than 13 years. So the hypothesis will just be mu equals 13 and mu does not equal to 13. And that's all we have to do. And I'm going to go ahead and click on compute. And they gave us the z-stat right here, which is 3.169, but they said round to 2 decimal places, so I'll type in 3.17. So that's how you can find the test statistic z. And we can also type in the p-value, which is very, very small. So round to 3 decimal places, so I'm going to have to round that up to 0.002. This is way smaller than 0.08. So I'm going to have to reject the H naught because we do have sufficient evidence. Small p-value means that we have a strong evidence against the null. So we will reject the null. There is sufficient evidence to reject the claim that the mean time it takes smokers to quit smoking permanently is 13 years. So we're going to reject that null hypothesis. So the answer for last part will be D. And that's it for this problem. So I think I know you guys are doing this on your own, right? So, anytime you get stuck on any part of your homework, just write me an email.